Hello guys, welcome to my video. So as you can see, I have my voice reveal, and also I'm just a 10-year-old kid that has crazy ideas for his videos. Hope you subscribe. Okay guys, so now let's get started. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about variables. So a variable can be very useful sometimes. We can use variables to name an item. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so first of all, we need to write, I will name a variable, let's say price. And we're gonna press the space button and equals 10. Okay, guys, so we have created a variable here and let's run this. So as you can see, nothing pops up here because we haven't printed it yet. So let's go and say print price. Yes. Okay, now let's run it. As you can guys see, 10. It pops up 10 here, and this is the result, guys. So we can use a variable like this, and yeah, this is it. This is how useful the variable is. Okay guys, as you can see, we've run the program and here commands are useful, right? Okay, so now let's try more. Big brain time! Okay, so we're gonna come here and type in name equals, okay, let's say Bob. Yes, Bob. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I was just, okay, we're gonna write Bob and boom. So, and we need to print it as well, and we're going to say print name. Yes. So now let's run it. Okay, so you're gonna see here 10 and Bob. Yes. So let's make this more useful, okay? So now let's say okay, and we're gonna say print and name. Okay, name needs to pay and come here and say price. Yes. So guys, let's change this to dollar. Wait guys, wait a minute. Okay. $10, I guess. Wait. Yeah, sorry about that guys. $10. Yes. Okay, now let's run it. Look guys, look what it says. It says Bob needs to pay $10. Yeah, this is just a sentence, and so variables can be useful like here guys, and so like we can use it for other things, like we can name, like imagine we have a company and we need to write the list of the workers and how much they will have in a month, their fee. So we can use it like that. Okay, yes guys, we've done it. This is a completely good program. Okay, so this, let's add some more things guys. And come here and let's delete this and this. and like this, and we need to say h. Sorry guys, h equals let's say 26. Okay, and let's say ID equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 10, and let's say role equals worker. Okay, so we're gonna come here and write print name and age, and guys, let's say, wait a minute. Okay, and ID, and also role. Okay, so now let's run it. Okay, so guys, there's a bit, this is a bit confusing, right? So for this to be a little bit neater, we can make it like, how to say, oh my god, sorry guys. Okay, we need to write the items one by one, okay, so that we don't see the sentence or the information not very unneatly. And so guys, we need to write print ID, and print, you want to write rule. Okay, here is it, and now we're gonna run it. Look at this guys. Bob, age 26, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and worker. So guys, let's customize this a bit more, okay? Let's say role equals worker, and here let's say this as this. Wait a minute. Yeah, here, and ID equals here. Let's say, okay, so you want to write age equals 26, and here let's say name equals Bob. Yeah, so now let's run it. And guys, as you can see, we've got this as name Bob, age 26, ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and role worker. Yeah, so this is how powerful is the variable. Guys, and so this is the end of the video. If you had enjoyed the video, please support me by subscribing, liking, and clicking the bell. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.